Equipment readiness is the lifeblood of military power, but it's a constant struggle. Military systems operate in extremely harsh environments with a high operating tempo. Intense heat, sandstorms, and Arctic blizzards can wreak havoc on equipment, adding years of wear and tear in mere months. To ensure constant availability and safety, military assets require ongoing maintenance, and supplies must be available at a moment's notice. But this can be a challenge with fragmented supply chains and aging fleets. GOLDesp can help ease the pain. The enterprise software provides an integrated solution for maintenance and supply to keep your operations humming. GOLDesp is the #1 tri-service solution for maintenance, repair, and overhaul, or MRO. The developer is Tapestry Solutions, a Boeing company. The powerful software provides total lifecycle support for complex assets across land, air, sea, and space. GOLDesp automates the workflow to reduce your workload, minimize costs, and maximize equipment uptime. No more paperwork, no more hassle. With GOLDesp, warfighters can keep details of incidents in an electronic logbook when the mission is complete. All maintenance and supply activities are stored in a central database, so users can see the big picture and increase response times. Let's take a closer look at GOLDesp. In the following chapters, we'll go into more detail about its core capabilities. GOLDesp makes it effortless to schedule and track maintenance activities, whether planned or unplanned. Let's begin with a top-level view of the platform status board. Here you can see the current serviceability and mission-capable status of your fleet. The status board provides easy access to the equipment logbook, structural information, maintenance planning, and many other fields. The maintenance planner can monitor the status of planned tasks. They can instantly see what tasks are due, are overdue, or within range. If scheduled maintenance is required, users first create a work package with an estimated start and completion date. All this information is locked in to automatically create a work order for each task. From here, users can quickly assign the work order to a repair center. The planners will then change the status to non-mission capable, which is indicated with a red icon. The maintenance technicians can also access the work order and provide information, such as the estimated duration and start time. They can also request parts or supplies that are needed to carry out the maintenance. These requests will be reviewed and authorized by the appropriate personnel. In one simple workflow, maintenance planners can reserve the material and ensure it will be issued out to the work order. Authorized users will be able to see the latest updates as maintenance progresses. Once a work order is closed, all the information is stored in GOLDesp. Everything from labor hours, materials, and financials related to the job. Afterwards, planners can update the status to fully mission capable, as indicated by this green icon. The status board will now reflect the current serviceability of the entire fleet. With all this critical data instantly available, the operations team can easily determine if a fleet is prepared to complete a mission. The supply chain plays a critical role in efficient maintenance management. Success depends on having the right supplies at the right time. However, supply management can be a challenge if data is scattered among multiple systems. GOLDesp bridges the gap. As a centralized hub for information, GOLDesp seamlessly aligns maintenance processes with the supply chain. This ensures total asset visibility across the enterprise. GOLDesp makes it easy to locate your inventories. You can quickly determine the condition, quantity, and status of supplies with just a click of a button. GOLDesp also provides automated material forecasting to ensure stock is maintained at proper levels. This helps you get your inventory under control and reduces unnecessary stockpiling. In the following scenarios, we'll show you how easy it is to order and track supplies. Let's begin with the platform status board. It appears that a tank needs maintenance, which is indicated by the red icon. GOLDesp provides all the maintenance planning information for this tank, along with the parts needed to carry out the repairs. This particular tank needs replacement wheel tracks. If you access the Total Asset Visibility screen, you can see if the stock is on hand. If not, you can click on the Site tab to see the locations where the tracks are in stock. You can then put in a request to have the parts transferred to a work center. The Total Asset Visibility screen contains a wealth of information. You can view historical data of all the supplies and repair activities. You can see available parts, open orders, back orders, and much more. Here's another example. There's a UAV that's out of service due to a faulty camera. An order has been placed for the camera, but if we view the Total Asset Visibility section, we can see it is on back order. You can take a deeper dive by navigating through the Contract Transfer Matrix screens. This is where you can view the locations of the stock and all the transactions in between. Once a location is identified, you can reserve the part and have it transferred over to the unit, all in one easy workflow. When the maintenance has been performed, the status board will update the serviceability of the UAV and the entire fleet. The stock will then be replenished to prepare units for future maintenance. As the leading software for military MRO, GOLDesp makes it effortless to order materials through the U.S. Department of Defense, or DoD. GOLDesp communicates seamlessly with DoD military supply systems. It interfaces with the Military Standard Logistics Interface, known as MILS, and more recently, the Defense Logistics Management Standards, or DLMS. By 2020, DLMS will replace MILS as the means to exchange data with the DoD supply system. MILS has successfully served the DoD and GOLDesp clients over the years, but its 80-card format can no longer satisfy increasing logistics demands. DLMS is designed to enhance global supply chain management and interoperability among suppliers and customers. It supports the DoD's new business systems, along with legacy data exchange requirements. GOLDesp enables a seamless transaction between MILS and DLMS messages. It converts outgoing MILS formatted message to DLMS and vice versa. With the integration of the new logistics standards, GOLDesp is well positioned to support force modernization efforts worldwide. As an enterprise-wide solution, GOLDesp is unmatched in its ability to tightly weave with multiple information systems, from legacy software to advanced business systems. It integrates with ERP systems, connecting human resources with accounting systems to automate the flow of information across departments. At the core of GOLDesp is the Enterprise module, which provides an overview of the entire operation. This allows organizations to align users, facilities, and assets in the centralized database. The Enterprise module covers key functions such as the part catalog, property management, contracts, and general organizational functions. A key component is user management. As you see here, GOLDesp assigns user roles to give individuals access to specific functions. It provides information related to their certifications and assigns them to specific work centers. With just a few clicks, authorized users can add new work centers and also update the certifications into GOLDesp. With GOLDesp, you have timely, accurate data at your fingertips and powerful analytics for better, faster decision-making. When fleets are deployed, maintenance management is more critical than ever. GOLDesp ensures troops have the supplies they need to keep their equipment operational, anywhere, at any time. With the Mobile Line Maintenance Application, or MLM, operators can access GOLDesp without an internet connection. MLM works on a compatible mobile device in a connected or disconnected mode. Prior to departure, The MLM device is loaded with all necessary work packages, including parts requirements for the platform. MLM tracks and records all maintenance activities during the deployment. When the unit returns back home, the laptop will synchronize the recorded maintenance activities with the GOLDesp central server. As an extension of its mobile capabilities, GOLDesp features an automated warehouse solution that can be used offline. It's called the Mobile Warehouse Management System, or WMS, and it integrates with handheld scanners. This enables users to perform basic warehouse functions in GOLDesp, whether they are maintaining equipment on a runway or working in a warehouse. WMS supports routine tasks such as receiving, binning, picking, and issuing materials. It replaces pen and paper with automation to increase efficiency and accuracy and reduce labor costs. GOLDesp centralizes the data for better collaboration and smarter decision-making, increasing mission readiness wherever battles are fought. GOLDesp, taking military maintenance to a whole new level, empowering troops with the equipment they need to achieve mission success today and for years to come.